Good news, recruits. Looks like you're taking the Wormhole Express after all. I'm transmitting coordinates to the Star Towers for our mission to Titan. We are good to go. Recruits, this is the main underground hangar of the ESD. Just a small part of our growing fleet here at the command center in Kuala Lumpur.
Mission to Titan, proceed to launch pad. You're on deck with
You are about to start the next-gen hybrid fighter prototype 2, fully armed and ready to come to our defense. Say hello to our squad leader, Wolfman.
Don't worry, recruits. We got your back. We will rendezvous with our fighter escort topside.
Thanks, Wolfman. We are ready for you to guide us through the wormhole generator.
Follow me.
Roger.
Watch that space craft. Proceed on course 227 to start. Mission to Titan. Good luck.
Call it, pilot.
What a view! Recruits, have you ever seen Kuala Lumpur like this before? Coordinates to Titan are locked and loaded.
All systems are go. Prepare for launch.
Engage wormhole generator.
Wormhole generator at full power.
Okay, prepare for jump to hyperspeed. Welcome to Saturn, folks. What the? That's no probe.
Shields up.
Force field generator activated. Wait a second, I'm detecting no signs of life. I think it's abandoned.
Let's take a look.
After you.
Okay. Tight formation. Everybody stay alert. We're going in.
We're inside a destroyer-class attack. The power core's been shut down. No wonder we couldn't read his energy signal from Earth. Wait, those bioluminescent life forms. My scan should have picked them up.
Unless your scan was jammed.
That makes no sense. It's a trap!
Watch the tail, Bravo.
Got multiple targets.
Watch his stick. Let the chatter and pick your target. We got bugs from all left.
Watch that front fire.
Let's get out of here. I'm taking this slow. Hold on.
Lay down some cover fire. Where are you, Max? You flew into a hornet's nest. Max, where are you?
We're okay for the moment. Strike that. I got one right in front of me. Wolfman, our shields are being jammed. He's firing up his weapons.
I'm coming, Max. I'll keep Bug Boy occupied, but you, get out of here.
We'll never make it. We've got to reach the central core and destroy it.
How?
I can identify the target, but only you have the tech to take it out.
The hybrid torpedo.
Affirmative. That should solve the problem.
Let's move.
Central core, dead ahead.
Powering up.
That's it, Wolfman, light it up.
Torpedo away.
Wolfman! There's our exit. Come on, baby, you can do it. I've still got power, but I can barely control it. We're coming in hot. Hang on! I can't control the ship. Look out! Auxiliary power to stabilizers. I think I got it under control.
Hold on, Max. We're picking up an alien signal. Something came back through the wormhole.
He's right in front of us.
Not so fast, Bug Boy.
Man, you're back.
I said I had your back. Nice going, recruits. Not bad for your first mission.
Not bad. I think we just saved the planet. Congratulations, recruits. Today is your Independence Day.